Hi there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will tell you how to check CPU temperature in Windows 10. So let's get started. First of all, in this dialog box, search for the Task Manager. Now open it. Here. Now click on the Performance. Here, as you can see, all the CPU details are given: CPU speed, process it contain, thread, as well as the time the system is up. Here also, you can see the memory details with all the data. In this section, the C and D drive disk detail is given. Here is the Wi-Fi throughput and all details. And the last one is GPU, which include the Intel HD graphics and other details. And that's how you can check CPU temperature in Windows 10. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, please comment down below us and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.